This vacuum tool is used to fill coolant into the vehicle cooling system. This method is quite efficient as it helps to remove air pockets and contaminants from the system, also promoting efficient cooling and preventing corrosion and overheating issues. During a coolant flush using a vacuum tool, please follow these steps. The vehicle's engine is allowed to cool down completely, then remove the radiator cap. If you don't have a radiator cap, look for the coolant reservoir tank and install this tool. This tool comes with lots of adapters which cover all makes and models. Now the vacuum tool is connected to the coolant reservoir, creating a vacuum that draws out the coolant. Once the old coolant is removed, the system may be safe flushed with water or a flushing solution to remove any remaining residue. After flushing, the system is vacuumed again to remove the water or any flushing solution. After getting a good vacuum, you can fill fresh coolant using this tool by simply putting the hose in the coolant jug and slowly opening the valve, and it will fill the coolant automatically. It's an amazing tool to flush and fill the cooling system. Hey, if you are enjoying this content and would like to see more and support my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please look carefully the hoses it's getting expand. Look at that upper and lower hose get vacuumed, and now it's filling with coolant. You can see that.